Well, since we're on a Tahoe old Suburban kick, how about a throwback, man? 2000 Chevy, I think Tahoe Limited, GT Limited, something. It's got the special wheels. I remember these. They were like a one-year-only truck. Had a two-tone leather interior. This one's in pretty good shape. I mean, for its age. It does have a brake light on. I mean, you know, the carpet's in better shape than that 05 Tahoe I drove. Let's see if this thing's worth a crap. This will be a two-wheel drive unit as well. But when I do the walk around, any of you guys that know your old Tahoes or Suburbans, you'll recognize it. You'll know what I'm talking about as soon as I get out and you see the wheels. Kind of a rare bird. God, this thing is smooth. Look at that old compact disc. Get my armrest folded down. We may have some loosey-goosey shocks here. No, she feels pretty good. Man, she shifts good too. This is a cool rig right here. Yeah, man, this thing is great. The old box style Tahoe, man. Runs perfect. I mean, it is so good and shifts flawlessly. Is this air cold? Yeah, it is. Now, not pretty good power. Not too bad. I mean, it's not gonna win any races, but that old 350 will do all right. We're talking old school 5.7 right there. Man, this thing drives and handles great. Got great oil pressure. Just, yeah, 226,000 miles. Oh, yeah. What a cool old rig, man. This thing is A-OK. I mean, the interior really looks good. I mean, this thing had to have been kept in a garage, wouldn't you think? Because these old plastics break, especially these dashes. They're exposed to the sun for long periods of time. Ooh, all 22 years. Now, y'all tell me, you'll remember this. Remember this? This was like a one-year only deal. Oh, bummer. Look at that crap. Oh, that sucks. Shit. Man. I just dropped the price a chunk. I wonder if my PDR guy could possibly make that look any better. Surely he could get in behind there and work on that. But we got, look at those old school wheels. They look great. Got old Michelin LTXs on it. Tahoe Limited. I mean, we got a little paint, you know, stuff going on up here. But this is all workable. Just fresh chips. I'm sure it's the original paint, but I can fix that. I know how to make that stuff go away. But dang, look how good this thing looks. Man, it's a bummer on that back quarter. I need to talk to my PDR guy. Now, I guess these were not third rows. Tahoes back in the day were not third rows. So you got good cargo. Good cleaned headliner. I mean, this is a clean up unit. It would do well. Damn, I just hate that. I love the barn doors. Really sucks about this quarter panel. Shoot. I'm going to call him ASAP. Anyway, old school Tahoe. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.